How to turn passers-by into your most loyal customers. Micron can help you.
First of all, open our PC operating system.
This is the home page.
Click here.
You can upload the QR code
Of your SNS and WhatsApp group.
or your independent website. The QR code setup is complete.
Let's see what's changed on the machine.
Customers can open their mobile phones to scan the QR code.
After that, a page about your online store or SNS will pop up.
Successfully make you the person who passes by vending machine.
Become your loyal customer.